past the steam clock, whistling through Pigeon Park. The lights on the sidewalk shine through the dark as you walked all the way home. Down at the town pump, they asked for ID, so you left in a slump. You turned up your collar to keep out the cold, and you walked all the way home. Walked all the way home. And you cursed the club, and you cursed the clouds, and you cursed all of the rain. Then you see the beauty in being alone, so you walked all the way home. And I looked for you at the bus stop, at the cigar store, Indian tuck shop, but in your $5 high tops you walked all the way home. Walked all the way home. And you cursed the club, and you cursed the clouds, and you cursed all of the rain. Then you see the beauty in being alone, so you walked all the way home. Walked all the way home. Walked all the way home. Thank you. This is a song about my boyfriend when I was 16 who was very handsome but couldn't sing at all, so he tried to be in a band that failed. My boyfriend wants to sing in a band. Goff and Paul tell him, Dave, you're the man. You've got those made-to-measure skin-tight leather Mexican pants, man, they'll be eating out the palm of your hand. So we take that bus down to Hastings in Maine. He says, I'm glad George L holds up in the rain. Inside the boys are wanking heavy on electric guitar. They bought a layaway from Long and McQuaid. And it's 1, 2, 3, and they're ready to go. Grab that mic and strike up a pose. But when he opens his mouth, he sings so perfectly out of key. Well, he dreams of rock and roll, but he don't have a soul. And I'm just a girl in the corner who knows she can't sing circles around him. But I'm just a girl in the corner, so I don't say anything to them. My boyfriend wants to sing in a band. Goff and Paul say, we're so sorry, man. You've got those lady slaying looks, but you don't have the goods. It's such a shame you can't sing worth a damn. And it's one